we're gonna try to get the babies to go down to their safe run. I already thought I was recording. Shit, you know. So, let's see if we can get them to come out. This is soaked feed, and it turns out they don't hate it. They don't hate it. I'm gonna get around the corner here and just see if we can get them to come down to the foods. See, the thing is, they don't like being carried. And I don't like letting them free roam with the eagle nest being so close. There go, kids. There go. Yeah, see? Oh, don't jump on each other's backs. We don't love it. Wow. Come on. Come on. Take a noms. Take a noms. Come on. Noms. Yeah, see? Those are yum yums. Is it pretty great? And this time, actually, everybody came out. Yesterday, we did it with bugs. Soldier flies. And related to that, I then had to come back and get Scamp. Because Scamp was not being a team player. Get the arms. Come on. You gonna go in your spots? You like the greenery better than you like the sludge. Okay. It's because we don't have... Hey, come here. Come on. Come on. Come here. We've got to herd you toward it, I guess, huh? See, Also, in the process of trying to get them here, we keep ending up in the neighbor's yard. Now, the neighbor is encouraging this, but the neighbor only has grass. And so that's even worse because there's no cover. You know? Like, they're very exposed there. What do you say we go that way, huh? What do you say? Please? There go. And so now you're going to go on the porch. Great. Their favorite thing in the world is wood sorrel. Bug's eating it right now. So that's Bug. That's Berry. The two Goldens I have trouble telling apart. This one's Scamp and that one's Scaredy Poof. There, see? And not too bad. And not too bad. Yeah, they got that flighty teenager energy right now in their life. Which is making it a bit hard to be able to pick them up, get them where I need them to be. We're gonna go through the jungle again, I guess. I don't know. Now, they do love going in their run, and they've been spending all days in there. Yeah, see? Not too bad. Not too bad. Their favorite part of being in the run is that they actually can, take off running. They've got the whole back length of the property to them. Yeah, you can step right in it, huh? Yeah? Alright. What if I follow, huh? What if I do that, huh? Let's see if we can get them to go. So the goal is straight ahead. So you'll know if they're following the goal or if we're having trouble getting there. I've got a lunch break to do this in, so. What happened with this feather bug? You got like a weird feather coming out. Yeah. Oh, good birds, good birds. Good birds. Good birds. Go straight, yeah? Go directly to the place. Hi, kids. Hi. Are we gonna go in the... Maybe a little bit? Oh, we just love wood sorrel. It's our favorite thing in the world. Uh-oh, making a turn, huh? So I'll have to get ahead of you and... Bug, are you gonna molt, or are you just gonna lose feathers one at a time? I'll get ahead of you if you go that way, and then there's some things in the way down there. Like a rain barrel that needs repair. Come on. Come here. Here's a noise that they... I've been trying to train them to come to like ring clinking on glass. Oh, darling, that's groundnut leafage. Oh, no, that is wood sorrel. Okay. What to do? Do I need to go around and herd you back toward it? And if so, we are going to pull this a little further so that I'll be able to reach it from the other side. Oop. Sorry if I pointed some random direction. I think I did. I may eventually be able to make a tunnel, chicken tunnel, that will take them where I want them to be. However, in the meantime, would you do a heckin' concern and go that way? Yeah, see, I'll show you why this needs repair. Yoink. Forgot to open the sluice whenever I had my broken ankle, and now they all drain from the bottom like that. I know, wood sorrel is the best thing in the world. Let's see, can I get there from here? Sort of, yeah. Yeah. Golly, balance, and things like that. Yeah. This is difficult. Okay. Yeah, I fell down a little bit. Would you go that way, please? I'd appreciate. Thank you. Go on. Go on. Oh, we got noms. I put noms there for you. Yes, I did. Go on, go in the thing. Okay, go in the potatoes. That's fine too. There you go. Good birds. Thank you so much. I'm so glad you like it in there. That makes me very happy that you like it in there. Yeah. So we're going to put... Uh-oh. I have to ducky downs. Okay. We're going to put your noms right like this. And we got this from yesterday. Can fill that back up. How's your water looking for today? We got water here. Yeah, it's still looking pretty good. And we got, oh, I'm in barefootsies. Ay. How's this water looking? Oh, good. Oh, it's still perfect. You're good birds. Okay, we succeeded. And, whoops, I got stuck on a stick. There you can see, shoop. That they love running back and forth. And now I have them to help me take care of the boundary between the two houses. So it's kind of perfect. Kind of perfect. I'm very excited about this development. Hi, kids. You're good birds. Yeah, you are. Alright, well, it's a short one because they somewhat cooperated. As chicken stuff goes, they somewhat cooperated. Huh. Honk. I love your little honking noises. Yep. Alright, well, hopefully I got the steadiness turned on for this and everything's good with the little video. Hi, you coming to say hellos? Yeah, that's a good birds. That's a good birds, huh? I brought you soaked feed nom-noms. Something you never had before. I haven't gotten around to soaking your feed yet otherwise, huh? And I'll go fill up your dry feed scoop for the day. And otherwise you'll just run around and scratch and peck and take the weeds and yeah, good stuff. So yeah, that's Bug. That's very beautiful. This is Scaredy-Poof and that is Scamp. Berry is short for Barred Rock. Bug was the first one to catch a bug. Scaredy-Poof has been the one that digs down to the bottom of the pile of birds ever since the first day they came home. And Scamp liked to pick up little twigs and sticks and even Q-tips when they were inside and run as if they had a bug just so everyone would chase them. So that's how the names happened. Squawk! Don't be mean. Oh, you're just poking the stick. Okay, perfect. Yep. Good birds. Good birds. Thank you. Alrighty. Well, you have a good day. Thanks for visiting the chickens at the cliffside. Take care. Bye.